Alright, what's up, guys? This is me, Rylex again, of course, with Fernando on the background making some hella noise. We always take time off. Just kidding. We always grind it. Make sure you guys follow us on Instagram. Right now, we're just shooting some reels for Instagram and TikTok, maybe. I don't know. So today we're gonna show you the behind the scene of us taking some reels. Of course, if you want to see the reels, make sure you follow Fernando on IG and follow myself, Rylex. What the fuck are you doing, buddy? Come on. Go. Bring it forward. What is you doing? That's it. Come on, let's go. That's it. Leave it behind the line. What you doing? Go. Go back. Go back. That's it. Alright. You wanna just go back and try to come to the left. Yeah, come to the left just a little. I think that's good. Hey, is that you breaking my new clutch? Go ahead, go forward. Why are you moving forward? A little more. That's it. Is that you breaking my clutch?
Yeah, bro.
Because you're filming something to a film. So yeah, guys, we're just recording here. It's another day, man. You guys already know. My guy here. He's just trying to be as artsy as he can. He's really inspired today. Yes, sir.
Number one question: why you got you broke with an S7? I want to be broke like you.
Nah, bro, that's a broken S7, bro. Oh shit. Hey, we got the Teddy Bear 370 here, bro. Clean as shit.
So we were getting back on the videos, and we got like 3 weeks without filming.
Yeah, bro, I don't know what the fuck we're doing. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We're gonna hold on for the light. What?
Ugly.
We're gonna go viral.
Yeah, that's the plan, huh?
Yeah, viral. The tiempo kind of messed up a little. What we gonna see?
We got cameras on cameras, boys. This is how we doing here, man. Oh, sheesh. Calipers, though. What? Sheesh.
Fernando, so you don't mess up my shot. I appreciate that.
I got you, dog.
Hey, thank you. A reel. I think we're gonna get a good reel.
Oh, yeah?
With this one.
Yeah, I trust you. I trust you, bro. I gotta check it out.
Yeah, that ass. Hey, look at that shot. Shoot. Play it again. Ooh. Yeah, definitely.
Whoa, y'all guys ready?
trying to race me. They're trying to race me. I'm gonna give them the heads up. Oh, nope, they turned. Never mind. Look, I bet this truck's trying to race me. Watch. Oh, he's trying to race me. Yep, he's trying to race me. Yo, we gotta do it. Nope. My boy, why did you turn? Alright, they're trying to race me. I couldn't record his face, but he's like, yo, I like the teddy bear. I couldn't record his face though. God damn. Right now it's low-key getting dark. And like, you know, if you have an iPhone and you film and you make video with it, you know, on the dark these things start getting some weird ass stuff, like right here, like you see right here, like kind of old blurry and stuff. I hate that, but hey man, it is what it is. It is what it is. Yo, let's wait for Fernando. Like, look at his ass right there, like behind another car. Like, what is he doing? Like, get your ass over here. Get your ass over here, boy. That's what I'm talking about. Yep. Like, this is what I'm talking about. You guys saw that? Like, that's what I'm talking about. Like, look what I gotta do. I gotta turn, shift, second, get up to speed, third, almost crashed, not gonna do it. Now third, yeah, third, that's third. And fifth like the last time. We're gonna continue that. Now we're gonna go fourth. No, we're gonna go fourth, but there's somebody impeding traffic right there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna keep it in third. Hey, I'm showing you how to drive a manual. Yo, Fernando car is like something else, bro. Like, that thing screams like no other. Yeah. Here's us. Listen, I want Fernando next to me so I can film his car. Like, for some reason, way back there, like way back there. Damn, camera look ugly. Let me switch gear, fourth gear. There we go. Sounds better. Sounds way better. Just remember too, we did have an straight pipe exhaust when we took it out because you know, we need this car to pass an inspection. So that's what we're waiting on, the inspection to start doing some wild shit. And this car is not even tinted. This car we haven't done nothing to this car, absolutely nothing. Hey. Ain't nobody there though, ain't nobody there. That's a good thing. But, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. Let me lower my window so I can see what he got. Alright. What you doing, bro? You impeding traffic right now, bro. You going at like you going 5 miles an hour. Like, drive fast. Hey, you're impeding traffic right now. You're going way too slow.
Hey, so are you?
Like, I installed the new C1 Motorsport clutch. You know, the rev match of this baby is like crazy. It's good. Like, you don't gotta worry about it. Once you take that off, hey, you don't want to drive the car like that. Like, I'm telling you, without the rev match, this car will be like a whole different thing. Get it? Fifth gear. Who put this car in fifth gear? It's going like 30. Come on now. Hey, you impeding traffic right now. You're going way too slow.
So are you?
Listen, so we got a lot planned, but you know, it just takes time. And we gotta execute. It's not just, oh, we got this in plan, we gotta start executing those plans, alright? It's not about, oh, this, what am I doing? It's about actually doing it and creating it. So we on it slowly, but back and forth first, and this is gonna be our chance. Let's go. Floor it. Shift. Oh, that was quick. Go third. Couldn't get it up to third. Alright, let's go fourth. And we set. We want Fernando next to us. Where's Fernando at, bro? Always looking good. Oh, let's gap him. Let's gap him. There's another light. We're gonna get rid of that light pretty soon. Okay. Loki, I thought this was a cop.